Voi-Taveta meter gauge branch line is 129.6 kilometers. It is the first branch line on the meter gauge network. And the line was constructed for 3 years between the year 1915 to the year 1918. That was just the start of the World War. And this branch line served after its completion in a commercial basis by supporting transportation of sisal products, which was the main cash crop that was being grown within Taita-Taveta County, the now Taita-Taveta County, but formerly Taita-Taveta District, which was formed in the 1920s. This line is connected with the line in Tanzania, which goes all the way to Tanga, Moshi, and Arusha. And during its operational years, yes, there's an area called Tanga, the general area called Tanga, but it connects with the line and goes all the way up to Arusha. During that time, the transportation was very good because there was a lot of goods that were being transported across the network. However, in around 2005, there were operational challenges in Tanzania, and they stopped the operations on their meter gauge line on that side. That negatively affected the operations on the Voi-Taveta meter gauge line. And subsequent to that, the operations on the Voi-Taveta line was suspended. Dead funds for revitalization of the line. And because of the development in the agricultural network which our government has supported, there are now more goods which are being grown and which are being transported locally, which has made it necessary to reopen the network. Yes. Then we have the Mwatate station, 23 kilometers from the start. We have Bura station. We have Maktau station, which is also a national heritage in terms of the World War I and World War II. It is a site which currently attracts a lot of tourists. And then we have what comes all the way up to Taveta. So when you reach Taveta, Your Excellency, this is where the line connects with the Tanzanian network. And under the scope of work that we have currently, we are going to undertake rehabilitation at the Taveta border. We have the one-stop border post at Olili. So under the work that we are going to do now, we are also going to construct a cargo handling facility which will provide for an intermodal integration between the railway network and the road, so that whatever goods that are brought here can be picked by trucks, but can also be picked by the railway lines when the Tanzanian side revitalizes their side. In Voi, Your Excellency, to take advantage of the standard gauge railway line, we are going to construct a transshipment facility, the same facility that we have at the Naivasha ICD, so that we can transship goods between the SGR and the meter gauge. And that will enhance the operations on this line and also the meter gauge line, and also provide additional goods for the standard gauge. We are also going to rehabilitate bridges and culverts, both box culverts and pipe culverts. Most of them are dilapidated, and we are going to construct new structures. We will renew the rails and the sleepers, as you will see when we go ahead, including everything for the signaling system. Then the stations that we have on the line, 5 of them, we have the Voi, we have Mwatate, we have Bura, Maktau, and Taveta. We are going to construct new station buildings at those locations. Then that will help us to in improving the passenger service as well as the freight service. Your Excellency, this is how some sections of the line look. This is a section that was washed away. The railway line is hanging, and this is the status. What we are doing, we are constructing box culverts like this at locations like this. We also have sections of the rail that are in a very bad state, you can see there. And the contractor has been on the line effectively for the last 30 days from March 1st, and he has done 7 kilometers of earthworks, which is complete. He has also done site clearance and corridor clearance on the entire 129.6 kilometers. So the line has been cleared and is ready for construction.
Basi makofi na vigelegele tumshangilie Mheshimiwa Rais kwa uzinduzi rasmi huo, kisha baadaye anavyopiga picha naye gavana wa kaunti ya Taita Taveta. Basi vile vile na baada ya hapo Mheshimiwa Rais tutamuomba ataweza kurudi hapa. The work which is being done. His Excellency is appreciating the workers on the work which is being done.
You are changing the sleever.
Yes.
The sleever.
The old ones we actually put them also at the end so as to prepare the food.
Yes.
At the end where the food design.
Yes.
So now this is going to be 80 pounds, so it will manage to hold.
It will be heavier.
Yes, exactly. So when the train is carrying cargo, yes, it will be able to handle that.
So what is the difference between the steel and the concrete?
Basically, this is now more durable,
Yes.
and more comfortable, and can handle more weight than that one. And then that one, you can notice most of them are even rusting, and you have to keep changing. Bolt nazo hizo na nut ile kuna bolt na tuko pale.
Almaarufu Peter Gage. Bango hili likisoma tarehe 10 siku ya leo, Mheshimiwa Rais akienda kutangaza na kuhini.
Photographer turudi nyuma kidogo. Oe.
Huyo ni injinia nambari 1 nchini Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto, akiweza kukaza na hiyo. Tupigie makofi shangwe na vigelegele. Bango hili linasema Christmas and all was tightened by His Excellency Honorable William Samoei Ruto, PhD, CGH, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces on 10th April 2026.
Governor, kuja saidia mimi hapa.
Hii inakazwa kabisa, maana Mheshimiwa Rais haitaweza kuchukuliwa tena ama kukaza zaidi.
Hapo mbunge wa hapa kuja hata wewe. Nenda kwa
Wasema kidogo tu. Board members on next.